Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about on how you can turn on your online status on Fiverr. Maybe you want your client to see that you're active on Fiverr, so you want to turn on your active status on Fiverr, but you don't know how to do it. So today, I am going to teach you on how you can turn on your online status on Fiverr. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Fiverr application. Once you open your Fiverr application, you'll see these icons below. The home icon, the email icon, the search bar icon, the list icon, and the personal icon. And here, tap on this personal or profile icon. And then in here, you'll see your profile and the other more. In this tutorial, you need to press on your profile, and this will pop up. You will see here the online status. To turn this on, simply toggle this button on the right. And now, your online status is on. You'll remain online for as long as the app is open. There you go. If you want to know how to turn on your online status on Fiverr, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to turn on your online status on Fiverr, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.